When looking for fun American outdoor sports with a competitive spin, in recent years, beanbag toss has become a popular game for people of all ages. Although a newcomer in the world of lawn games, it has already managed to make a name for itself, and for a good reason. Whether playing by yourself, with friends or with family, beanbag toss is an enjoyable game for barbecues, picnics, camping trips and more. It's ideal for barbecues, picnics and camping trips. If you're looking for a new game to add to your collection or simply want to try something different, this is the way to go. How do you find a good set for when you start out, though? That's where our guide comes in handy. We've put together a list of the top-rated beanbag tosses of 2023, so you can make an informed decision and get your game on. Number 1. Go Sports Beanbag Toss. Do you believe you have what it takes to be the next cornhole master? Then you need equipment worthy of your skills, and the Go Sports Beanbag Toss is just that. This is one of the most popular and well-reviewed cornhole sets on the market, and for good reason. It's a complete set with everything you need to get started, including 8 beanbags, and it's very reasonably priced. The vintage-inspired design is also very attractive, and the all-weather beanbags are top quality. All ages will enjoy classic beanbag toss and the hours will fly by. Plus you'll get tons of use out of this set with the sturdy MDF design and construction that provides a premium cornhole experience. This set comes with game rules so you can learn how to play. Additionally, it is available at a very affordable price, making it an excellent choice for those on a budget and also our top pick. Number 2. East Point Beanbag Toss. For anyone looking to make the next family barbecue or camping trip a little more fun, East Point has the perfect solution, the Go Gator Cornhole Set. Complete with waterproof plastic boards and 8 bags with different team colors, this beanbag toss is exactly what you need to get started on your journey to excellence in the game. The plastic boards are very smooth and allow for effortless sliding after you've tossed, and the beanbag returner makes for added convenience and quicker gameplay. When the game is over, the portable carrying handles and inner storage compartments make for easy transport and storage. It also features a built-in scorekeeper so that you can keep track of the fun. This game is perfect for kids of all skill levels and is a great way to get the family outside and to move. Number 3. Hamal Beanbag Toss. Hoping to find a new fun activity to try out this summer with your friends and family? Why not give cornhole a shot, and with the help of this amazing Hamal Beanbag Toss set, your first experience with the game is sure to be an amazing one. This exciting game is perfect for indoor or outdoor use and can be played by people of all ages. With its lightweight design, it is also easy to take with you wherever you go. The game includes 2 cornhole boards, 8 cornhole bags and a carrying case. The polyester boards allow for quick and easy assembly and are durable and tear-resistant. At the same time, the bags are made with anti-skid fabric to prevent them from sliding on the surface, making it the perfect game for any occasion. Best of all, the game is backed by a free extended warranty and offers a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Number 4. Backyard Champs Beanbag Toss. On the lookout to add some friendly fun to the next cookout? The Backyard Champs Beanbag Toss comes complete with 2 wooden boards that are the official size and 8 beanbags made of 100% cotton that adds to the durability. Made from high-quality pine wood imported from New Zealand, these boards have a solid construction and are made to last a long time. Equipped with cross and corner braces, these boards are very easy to assemble thanks to their unique design and protect your hand from pinching. The bean bags are filled with 1 pound of filler and are competitively approved to be used to play cornhole. The bags are also just heavy enough to push stuck bags on the board for maximum scoring. Best of all, the boards come pre-assembled, so there's no assembly required, just pull them out of the box and get ready to have some fun. Number 5. Triumph Sports Beanbag Toss. The premium Triumph Sports Beanbag Toss set is perfect for anyone looking to have a good time. With its regulation size, weather-resistant bags, and LED light-up design, you'll be able to play all season long. This set features quite a wide range of boards, including 2x4 and 2x3 solid wood cornhole sets. You can also choose between the LED light-up option, which will keep the fun going even after the sun goes down. The battery-operated light can last for between 4 to 6 hours. And with 8 weather-resistant cornhole bags included, you're all set to play with friends or family. If that's not enough for you, the set also comes with a helpful carrying case so you can take it anywhere.